Today, we're checking out the Weofly Nova wireless ANC headphone. If you've been looking for a pair of affordable headphones with active noise cancellation, long battery life, and a premium-looking design without spending a fortune, then this might be worth checking out. Inside the box, you get the Weofly Nova headphones, a USB Type-C charging cable, an AUX cable if you prefer wired listening, and the user manual. Nothing fancy, but everything you need is included. First impression? These headphones definitely look more premium than I expected at this price point. Let's start with the design. The Weofly Nova has a very clean and modern look. It's lightweight, so even after wearing it for a couple of hours, it doesn't feel heavy on your head. The ear cushions are soft and comfortable, and they wrap nicely around your ears without creating too much pressure. The headband also has enough padding, making it comfortable for long listening sessions. The ear cups can fold inward, making it easier to carry in your bag or backpack. The controls are all placed on the ear cup, so changing the volume, skipping tracks, answering calls, or switching between ANC modes is quick and easy once you get used to the buttons. Overall, for everyday use, I honestly have no complaints about the comfort. Now, let's talk about the most important part, the sound quality. The Weofly Nova uses 40mm oversized dynamic drivers, and they actually sound pretty impressive. The bass has a nice punch without being too overwhelming. If you enjoy listening to EDM, hip-hop, or pop music, you'll definitely appreciate the low-end performance. The vocals remain clear, and instruments have decent separation, so podcasts, movies, and even acoustic tracks sound enjoyable. It's not trying to compete with the premium flagship headphones that cost several times more, but for its price, the sound quality is surprisingly balanced. Whether you're streaming Spotify, watching Netflix, or playing games casually, these headphones deliver a really enjoyable listening experience. One of the biggest highlights here is the wireless active noise cancellation. Weofly claims it can reduce noise by up to 90%, and from my experience, it works really well for everyday situation. If you're inside a coffee shop, working in an office, commuting, or riding public transportation, the constant background noises become much less noticeable. Of course, very loud sounds or people talking nearby won't disappear completely, but the ANC definitely helps you stay focused on your music or work. When you switch ANC on, the listening experience immediately becomes more immersive because you're hearing less of your surroundings. Considering the price, I think the ANC performance is actually one of the strongest features of these headphones. If you're planning to use these for online meetings or phone calls, the Weofly Nova also comes with ANC noise cancellation for calls. During my test calls, my voice sounded clear, and background noises like fans, traffic, or people talking were reduced enough for the other person to hear me comfortably. It's especially useful if you are taking work calls while traveling or working in a busy environment. Battery life is another area where these headphones really shine. Weofly rates them for up to 58 hours of music playback, which is honestly impressive. For my usage, I only needed to charge them once after several days of regular listening. And if you ever forget to charge before heading out, there's fast charging. Just 10 minutes of charging gives you around 7 hours of playback, which is incredibly convenient. That's perfect if you're about to leave the house and realize your battery is almost empty. So who are these headphones actually for? If you're a student attending online classes, someone who works remotely, a frequent traveler, or you simply want a comfortable ANC headphones for daily music, listening without spending premium headphone money, then the Weofly Nova makes a lot of sense. It offers the features that most people actually use every day. So guys, this is my question. Should you buy the Weofly Nova? For the price of just 1,595 pesos in the Philippines, it's definitely worth checking out. After using them for a while, I was genuinely impressed by the overall experience. You get comfortable all-day wear, good sound quality with punchy bass, effective ANC that helps reduce everyday noise, clear call quality, and outstanding battery life with fast charging. Sure, they're not meant to compete with premium flagship headphones, but for everyday music, work, travel, and entertainment, they deliver excellent value for the price. So if you're interested in picking up the Weofly Nova, I will leave the purchase link in the description below so you can check it out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.